The inferior dimension is visible and the superior dimension is not visible. However, the visibility of the superior dimension will overshadow the inferior dimension and result into the merging. So it's straight, we have to help the superior dimension regain its visibility, and can be done manually. Physicist Prince Jessii proposed the idea of visibility in one of his papers. When a solidified form absorbs its corresponding energy in full scale, it contributes to the visibility of the related dimension. For example, matter absorbing inferior light in full scale will contribute to the visibility of the inferior dimension, and so on. In relation to that concept, the stars are classical forms of matter that absorbed the inferior light energy in full scale. On the other hand, the reason for the superior light dimension invisibility is the fact that there's no dark matter found to possess dark energy. Although dark matter is a form of dark energy, it also has to absorb dark energy in full scale in order to contribute to its dimension's visibility, just like the stars did with energy. As uncountable as the stars are, imagine the contribution. Meanwhile, no contribution from the superior forms. We have to do some calculations to confirm this. From Prince Jessii's papers, the value representing the inferior light energy is 4.5 times 10 to the power 16 in quantum, and the value representing the superior light dark energy is 4.5 times 10 to the power 18. The division of both values is 100. Albert Einstein's famous equation, E equals mc squared, where E representing energy, m representing matter, mass, c is the speed of light. Now, in the equation, E equals mc squared, if we replace energy with the value of dark energy and matter with dark matter, the value representing dark matter will be given as value of dark energy divided by speed of light squared. If we substitute the value of dark energy in that equation along with the speed of light, which is constant, we have 50 as a pure number. This value 50 as the value of dark matter signifies the fact that this universe has two major dimensions, which is 100 divided by 50 equals 2. The main solution to the problem of the universe is to help the superior dimension regain its visibility. We have explained that the reason for its invisibility is the absence of dark matter possessing dark energy in full scale, just like the stars, which represents the inferior dimension. It's straight, we have our values and we have to test. We have to compare the stars and a dark matter body absorbing dark energy in full scale and see if there's something missing or something related. The stars are matter that proceeded to absorb the same inferior light that made it in full scale. We are going to form a star in quantum state. A star is matter. The quantum state of matter is an electron with a charge of 1.60 times 10 to the power of -19 C. The inferior light energy in quantum state is a photon, and its value is 4.5 times 10 to the power 16. Thus, a star matter absorbing the inferior light energy in quantum state will be electron matter absorbing a photon energy as 1.60 times 10 to the power -19 times 4.5 times 10 to the power 16. This will give 0.0072. This is the approximate value of the measurement of the fine structure constant, alpha, ability of an electron to absorb a photon, by Richard Parker et al. We now proceed for the superior side. Dark matter absorbing dark energy in full scale will be dark matter, 50, times dark energy, 4.5 times 10 to the power 18, this will give 2.25 times 10 to the power 20. Oops, that value doesn't mean anything, but this is where the secret of the universe starts popping out. To tell you that an ordinary dark matter that absorbs dark energy in full scale is not authorized by our Creator to match the stars. However, to match the stars, a dark matter part must be attached to a matter part to absorb dark energy in full scale. This is specifically referring to humans. Humans, creatures, are the only thing existing in this universe with a matter part attached with a dark matter part, but as humans specifically. Let's do the calculation for this. A matter part which is electron 1.60 times 10 to the power minus 19, attached with a dark matter part, 50, absorbing dark energy, 4.5 times 10 to the power 18, will be 1.60 times 10 to the power minus 19, times 50, times 3 times 10 to the power 8 squared. That is dark matter times speed of light squared equals dark energy will give equals 0.72. We are getting close. Can you see the similarity between 0.0072 and 0.72? 0.0072 and 0.72. These are the values representing the superior dimension and inferior dimension respectively for full-scale absorption. Perhaps we don't stop at absorption but proceed to displaying visibility. So after absorbing, it's been displayed. Prince Jessii described the visibility, displaying, as the inverse of absorbing. Therefore, to check for visibility, we simply take their inverses. 1 divided by 0.0072 and 1 divided by 0.72. We have 138.8 and 1.388. We are comparing both dimensions, so we take their differences, which is 1.388, for superior dimension, and 138.8, for inferior dimension. 138.8 minus 1.388 will give approximately 137, another pure number. This is a number to you, but it means something more. Our physicist, Prince Jessii, explained this as a code in creation and also the name of the game of this universe, which involves absorbing the corresponding light of your dimension in full scale. Play me on episode 5. Thank you.